Hi, and welcome to another Behind the Gingers track. This one is my last single. It was called Good Call on 33 Music. Started out trying to be a demo for Steve Lawler's label, Viva, but it never got signed, so I released it myself, as I do with many of my tracks. When they don't find a home, I release them myself and make them chart. It's the way it works. This is what I did. So I came up with this beat. Bit of groove, and then I added the kick, and then the bass. You can see there's a plugin I need to reinstall, but I've got an updated version and it's got the old version on here basically. So I had a nice groove there. Added the hats. And then I needed something else. So I added the stab. Like a and then it's a very simple track, really simple track. Added the vocal, like a little stabby vocal, and then the good call vocal, which I pitched down, as you can see. I pitched it down in a sampler and then brought it in. Yeah, and then we did a breakdown, which again is very simple. Bit more vocal. It's a super simple track. Ooh. And then I thought it needs, so I built that up again, built it up so that it got to this point. And then I thought it needed something else, so I played this with a Predator. And that's just simply the Predator. On two. That's one of them. And then that's the other one. A bit MIDI in there. Yeah, it's honestly a really simple track. That just sort of gelled together really easy and just got a groove on. And yeah, this was played on BBC Introducing. And then I got a remix from MJSB, McKie, who again was on BBC Introducing. That's where I found her. And yeah, that is the charting Good Call by myself, Dan McKie. It's really simple. I'll show you. Not much to it. Obviously, I needed to put my filter back on because there was a bit more filtering throughout the thing. But yeah, I use my standard glue, which is my compressor that I go to. And then I use my WAV's H compressor for sidechaining. On this one, I use the standard EQ in Logic, but now I've changed all that and this is my standard EQ now. This is the EQ I use now, which is so much better. So much better. It's probably the best EQ I've ever used. Yeah, it's all pretty standard stuff I used on this one. The Oxford, I've got the new version, as you can see. I've got the actual UAD one now instead, and that uninstalled the AU version, so that's why that's like that. But I've got the actual one here because I have that on my drums. Where is it? Where's my drums? Drums. There. See, there you go. I have it here. Very simple track. that is a very quick behind the gingers track. I'm going to start doing a few more of these because I do enjoy doing them. And if you do have any questions, like what synths I used and all that sort of stuff, I'm happy to answer. What synths, what plugins, etc., etc. I am here to answer. Just ask. Remember to share, like, spread the ginger love.